Learning the fundamentals of Japanese candlesticks on different time frames, as well as how to use them to read the markets, is essential when starting your FX trading journey. To understand how Japanese candlesticks work and what they are trying to tell us, it is necessary to understand the time frame of charts on the MT4. So let us start with a blank screen. Please right-click on the Market Watch page on the pound-dollar pair. Then select Chart Window. Do this again. You may only see one chart, but the two tabs below tell us that we actually have two pound-dollar daily charts available. To view the two charts, click on the tile button to arrange the two windows. When referring to a chart with the symbol D1 or daily, it simply means that each candlestick we see here covers the price movement for one day. There are two easy ways to change this time frame on the MT4. On the toolbar, you can choose 1 minute chart up to 1 month chart. And let us choose the 5 minute chart. On the other chart, right-click on the pound-dollar pair and select Time Frame, D1 or Daily. You will notice, of course, that the price action on the 5-minute chart is much more active than the daily chart, but actually they are showing the same exact price on the right-hand side of the chart. Taking a look at specific candlesticks like these two candlesticks on the daily chart, we can see that each candle consists of three parts: the body, the upper shadow, and the lower shadow. As daily candlesticks, they represent the movement of price within one day. According to this candle, the price opened at 1.3027, the high was at 1.3175, the low was at 1.2985, and the price closed at 1.3169. As we notice, the candle is green, and in lesson 2 we set our MT4 that bull candles should be green. The following candle is red bear 1, which means that the price finished lower on the day. Let's take a look at today's daily candle. It's clear that the candle is red, and therefore we know that the price is lower on the day. The price opened today at 1.2693 and hit a high at 1.2704 and a low at 1.2633, and it is currently trading at this price. We can also see the open, high, low and close prices of today's candle here. This lesson we have covered structure of candlesticks, the meaning of different time frames, multiple chart styling, open, high, low and close prices. Thank you.